Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video of the 2015 65 Reg 335D M Sport Saloon in S-Trail Blue. So alongside a superb exterior colour, the vehicle features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and alongside that it has the 20-inch 405 M style alloys in the satin black. This vehicle is a very nice example of a 335D that also features some very nice extras. Down the side you can see it's a very clean and tidy example, has got the satin and the gloss black side extras. As you can see, the interior is really where this car comes to life in a different sense from the regular interior, as it has got the full BMW M Performance interior trims. Also comes with full black Dakota leather. So as you can see, you get a wonderful mixture of the satin carbon and the Alcantara, with of course that signature M Performance vinyl on the central console. And as you can see, it's not only the front portion that benefits from the lovely satin carbon, we've also got the rear door handle pulls as well. The interior has been kept in wonderful condition, and of course, as you would expect, if someone spent a lot of time and effort having all of that wonderful M Performance exterior trim added to it. Round to the rear, it also does feature the lovely rear spoiler, and you've also had the previous owner also had the 340i conversion done to the exhaust as well, which is really done for the aesthetics as opposed to the sound or performance. Automatic opening and closing tailgate, of course. You'll also see there that's a very large boot space, which of course comes with anything within the BMW touring range. Really nice feature to have. So you've got all of that lovely power, but yet still can retain some economy, and of course a very practical everyday car. Privacy glass on the rear windows, of course, and just again showing you that all four of the door pulls come with that satin carbon. And we shall hop on board and just talk about this car's major talking points and features. It even includes the steering wheel shroud, as you can see there, finished in that carbon once again. That is a particularly rare piece. I've seen the full trims done and without that in the past, which again, all those little differences add up. We've of course got the Alcantara gear surround and even the gear selector itself. Moving on to the car's factory stuff and of course the mileage, it's covered just over 60,000 miles, as you can see there. Does come with the BMW business navigation and media. Also has front and rear parking sensors. We've got the sat nav, as you can see there. That's a really user-friendly system. It comes with Bluetooth telephone and audio alongside DAB, and we've also got a wider range of multimedia inputs, including your USB, AUX, and of course your Bluetooth audio that we've just mentioned. So there is a look around this very nice, very fantastic 335D with the full M Performance interior spec. As you can see there, that has had a lot of effort, time and money spent on the interior of this car, and of course the exterior looks equally as nice. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. If you would of course like some more information on the car, you'll find all of the relevant contact information as well as website links down below. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.